Add cold storage without eating into floor space with an Undercounter refrigerator from MoTak. The self-closing doors are equipped with full-length handles for easy opening. 2 heavy-duty adjustable shelves allow staff to organize the cabinet, and the self-closing doors prevent cold air loss. The electronic controls on the rear of the cabinet make it simple for operators to set the temperature and defrost frequency. To order a MoTak Undercounter refrigerator for your operation, call today or check us out at KaTom.com.